How's everyone doing today? I was hoping to make more videos this summer, or the past few weeks anyways, but I've been so busy at my campground, I haven't had time to get over here to do any planting or any videos for you guys. So the sun's still out, starting to set. Beautiful over here when it's setting. But right now, what I'm going to do is plant some radishes. I just weeded this bed real quick by hand. I'm just going to give it a quick rake. And one of the best things I love about my new tool, my Jang Seeder, is this bed. Probably would have taken me 20 minutes to hand seed back in the day when I didn't have my Jang Seeder. But now with my Jang Seeder, load it up, takes me literally 2 minutes to seed the bed, water it, done, and I can move on to the next task. Before it was taking way too long to do anything. So it would take me like hours to hand seed all my beds. But we're going to set this up quickly, and then we will do a quick showing of my Jang Seeder planting radishes. So I don't know if anyone's seen a Jang Seeder before, but it's pretty neat. It has two big wheels on the front, and here it's got gears. You can change the gear ratio. As you can see, there's different gears here. So you can seed more densely or less densely. And here's the hopper where all the seeds will go. And then in here is your seed plate, and you can change those out depending on the seed size you have and how many seeds you want to put down. So I'm going to pop this open quickly and toss in some radish seeds, and we'll get this going. So I'll pop it open here. And then put the seeds, put them all in. I'll probably check for this bed, I think. And then just cut it back up. There you go. So there you go, you can see them in there. I will rake my bed quickly here, and then we'll get planting. And just like that, 6 rows planted. So now I'm just going to give them a quick water in, and they'll start going pretty quickly here. So there you go, nice handy Jang Seeder. So there you go, a quick video on my radish planting with the Jang Seeder and one of my fall crops that I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are starting to get some of your fall crops, and let me know what you're planting in the comment section below. Happy gardening. Don't forget to subscribe. Share my channel around, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.